Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Juhi with me today. She has recently scored 8 each in PTE, and this journey and this success is a very special for all of us over here. Juhi, the very first day you came to us, we knew that you are going to do it. The very first thing, you also knew that you are going to do it, but the thing was, before you came here, you took a number of attempts and you were missing by 1, 2 or 3 points in one or the other section, and you were not really sure when I'm gonna get it, right? It's very stressful when you just miss by 1 or 2 points, and the thing is, yes, you're giving your best, you don't know what you are doing wrong, and you are still not getting the score. So once you came here, you have taken few attempts as well. You were missing by 1 or 2 points before coming here as well, and in the last attempt, second last attempt, you got 390 and 177. You missed by 2 points, and I remember we both were kind of shattered that day. Please share with the viewers what kept you going on, what inspired you, what motivated you, because a lot of students out there, they are in the same position and they feel like giving up. It will be great if you can share your journey and things which helped you to keep going, so that they do not give up and they get their desired score, please.
Hello everyone, hello sir. Firstly, when I came here, once my friend told me that you go and see, they are very good, they'll be standing by yourself and all. So I came and saw Vishal sir. It was great seeing him. He said that you can do it, and he was always by my side. And Varun sir, always he was there like as a teacher. He taught each and everything, that 1 marks is not that easy. You have to do it, everything you have to do it. And that was the words which kept me inspiring and motivated. Along with that, constant supervision, that was the one thing which I was missing. I did not used to give proper time, and wherever I went, I was not getting the proper supervision. So this was the main thing, that constant supervision.
So proper feedback and the correct supervision, correct guidance, because if you have 1 or 2 tutors who are guiding you and who know your story, they'll be able to guide you properly. But yes, if I tell you some other thing and the other tutor is telling you other thing, that will confuse you out and you will miss your target score, right? Juhi, you were regular to the lab sessions. You used to finish your work at 6. You used to tell me I'm not coming, but yes, you used to come. What kept you going on, and what do you think, how important are lab sessions and mock tests which you were taking here regularly?
Listening was the section where I missed a lot, and I was not really knowing that where I'm missing, because I thought that MCQ and multiple choice were not that important. But then when other tutors, they explained me that for 1 and 2 marks everything is important.
That's right.
And you have to practice them, and that is how every day I used to practice and then give mocks, and then I used to know where I'm exactly lacking.
That's right. So guys, doesn't matter what the case is, even if you're aiming for 7 each or 8 each and everything is important, because if you're missing by 1 point, let's say you're getting 77 or 78, things which you are ignoring or which you are taking for granted, MCQs and everything, they can make a difference as well. Even though they are not very important, but yes, they do contribute around 2 or 3 points, and that can change your story. So one message out of her journey is that doesn't matter what the case is, do not take anything lightly. Yes, there are few tasks which you need to focus more on, but each and everything is important, and we need to respect each and every task if we want to get the score right. Before we wrap up, any final piece of advice for people out there who have given up, that they can't really do it, they have taken a number of attempts, not really sure what they have to do? Any advice for them, please?
My last advice is come and see Vishal sir and Varun sir. They'll definitely be your side, and they'll try their best, which I have also seen and experienced, that they are helping you out as they are like your family member or a friend who is really wanting to get your score. So it's not about just marketing or having a academy, but it is about having being supportive every time. So
that's right. Thanks for that, Juhi. Again, guys, it's not only about us. If we give you the direction and you don't really follow it, nothing's gonna happen. So it's more about your effort, 80% of your efforts and 20% of our direction, which will give you 100% of the result. Guys, keep on practicing, believe in your mentors, doesn't matter who is teaching you, if you are coming here or if you're not, make sure you believe your mentors, believe your teachers, and follow the guidance they are providing you, and you are going to get your score. Thanks guys, all the very best, and keep on practicing. Thank you.